Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Petter AI Hustle, where we break down the most powerful AI tools to help you automate, grow, and earn smarter. Today, I've got something seriously next level to show you. It's called Gohighlevel, and if you're into marketing, automation, or running your own business, this tool is a total game changer. So what exactly is Gohighlevel? Imagine having one tool that replaces 10 others: your CRM, your email and SMS system, your landing page builder, your booking calendar, your automations, your messaging inbox, and even your own SaaS business in a box. That's Gohighlevel, a true all-in-one platform that helps you manage leads, convert clients, and automate just about everything. It was built by Sean Clark, and it's used by thousands of agencies and small businesses around the world. Who is Gohighlevel for? Small business owners, coaches and online course creators, freelancers, marketers, agency builders, and anyone who wants to make money with SaaS or affiliate marketing. So yeah, if that's you, keep watching. Let's talk about the features that make this tool a beast. Drag-and-drop CRM with sales pipelines, smart workflows that auto-send emails, texts, and voicemails, full website and funnel builder, no code needed, calendar scheduling like Calendly, review requests via email or SMS, unified inbox, FB, IG, email, WhatsApp,
Stripe payments for your services or products, and the big one, white label SaaS you can sell under your own brand.
At Petter AI Hustle, I've tested Gohighlevel in real campaigns, and it blew me away. We used it to launch funnels, follow up leads, book appointments, send automated emails, all in one dashboard. It's like having an entire team in one tool. So how do you get started? It's easy. Go to gohighlevel.com. Sign up for the 14-day free trial. Pick your plan: individual, agency, or SaaS Pro. Start building your funnel or automation right away. There are tons of video tutorials, and the Gohighlevel community is super helpful if you get stuck. Now the big question is, can you make money with Gohighlevel? Absolutely. You can be an affiliate, they pay great recurring commissions, build automation services for local businesses, or launch your own branded SaaS and resell it as if it were your own software. A lot of creators are using Gohighlevel to build recurring income, automate client work, or even build their own software company without writing a single line of code. What are the pros and cons? Pros: all-in-one, no more tool overload, super powerful automations, scalable to your own SaaS product. Cons: the interface can be overwhelming at first. SaaS plan is a bit pricey, but totally worth it if you have a strategy. Takes a bit of learning curve for beginners, but it's manageable. Final thoughts from Petter AI Hustle? If you want to build a lean, smart, automated business, Gohighlevel is one of the best platforms you can start with. Whether you're building funnels, selling courses, running ads, or managing clients, this tool gives you the infrastructure to grow fast and earn smarter. I dropped the free trial link in the description below. Go check it out. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll answer them in the next video. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss more awesome AI tools coming your way. This is Petter AI Hustle, your go-to channel for AI tools, automation, and smart online income. Catch you in the next one.